Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of the theorem of class 10 circle chapter, and the theorem is the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. To prove the theorem, we'll draw a circle centered at O and two tangents which are PA and PB. Now we have to prove that the length of tangents PA and PB are equal. Now to prove it, we'll be taking a construction and we'll be joining OA, OB and OP. Now further to prove it, we'll be considering triangle PAO and triangle PBO. Now in these two triangles, what we can observe is that OA equals to OB as it is a radius of a circle. Then we also know that angle OAP equals to angle OBP, which is 90 degree, as we know that the angle between radius and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degree. Then we also know here as OP and OP are common in these two triangles. Now, since these three statements are there, we can say that triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO by RHS criteria, and hence we can say that lengths of tangent PA and PB are equal. This is how we can prove this theorem. Thank you. Take care everyone.